So I must copy the check branch. So here I am taking, sorry, check branch already there. No, I forget it. Check branch already there. Generate branch also came. So what should come from here means total marks not needed because, sorry, I'm going to change the logic for total marks. Okay, right. Percentage I'll copy, student result I'll copy, right. See there, I'm changing the logic for 6 subject marks, observe it. So here, enter the 6 subject marks. Already for loop has been introduced. For loop has been introduced to you already there. Whenever it is enter the 6 subject marks are there, I'm taking one loop here. Some while loop I'm taking. End of loop I'm taking. So yesterday's program I'm extending and coming. Only that 10 minutes I'm extending. I'm taking one while loop. You know the while loop, no? Right. While loop is what now? Sir, we check the condition and we execute the loop body. Here I am taking int I is equal to 1. I will take it. This is initialization indirectly. Initialization means starting. Initialization, that is. This initialization I less than or equal to 6. I am running this loop. How many times I am running now? 6 times I am running. I'll take I plus plus here. Here I am putting one message. System dot out dot print ln. I'm taking. Here enter marks of subject 1. I'll take it. Subject 1 means I value. Now the loop runs for 6 times. This line runs for 6 times. So here enter marks of subject 1, 2, it will come. Observe it. Enter the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0, 5, I will take it. Enter the name now, Raj. So CSC, I will take it. The line is running for 6 times, no? Anyway, the loop is running now. 6 times you have to read the subject marks, no? Right, read it. Whenever you want to read the 6 subject marks now, here you can write some int subject marks is equal to s dot next int, you can say. Whatever the subject marks you are reading, you are adding it. So you are going to perform addition. Int total marks is equal to 0. I am taking one variable, total marks is equal to 0. I am taking. Now I am adding it now. See there, total marks is equal to total marks plus subject. All of you understood this line number 40, right? When I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 6 true, enter the first subject. Whatever the subject you entered, add for total. Total 0, no, right? 0 plus first subject marks 90 you entered. I plus plus 2 here, 2 less than or equal to 6 true. Subject marks 2. Here I entered 90. Already total marks 90 is there, 90 plus 90. Like this, here total marks will come. After total marks completed, I am displaying the total marks roughly. Now, system dot out dot print ln Here total marks is equal to total marks. Now run it. The total marks will come anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I am taking the branch code as 05. Enter the name as Raj and CSC anyway. Enter the subject marks 1, 90. Subject marks 2, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. Understood now? Total marks is coming or not now? When the total marks came successfully, you can find the percentage, no? Right. So that percentage class already there with us. Already percentage class is available with us. Right? It takes one total marks and give the percentage. So I am taking the class as a percentage here. Right click on P1, new, and class, we go with percentage. So under this percentage, that logic I am typing here, this is public. Now create object for percentage here. Percentage sum PR is equal to new percentage. I'm creating object. Import it. Import. You write P1 dot star, no better. Percentage came now. Using this percentage, you will get percentage as a float. Percentage is equal to PR dot calculate of total marks. Now this calculate method of PR percentage class will return the percentage. You can display the percentage. So system dot out dot println here percentage is equal to percentage. So percentage is coming now. Run it. Now roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Here it is 0, 5. Enter the name Raj, some CSE. Subject marks 90, 90, 90, 97, 98, 99. 94% coming or not now, right? Anyway, total marks coming, percentage coming. Based on percentage, you will get the result also. So before generating the result now, you had one condition with you. What is the condition now? Sir, if any subject marks entered less than 0 or greater than 100, it should be invalid marks. Now I am writing that condition. If that subject marks less than 0 or the subject marks greater than 100, less than 0 or greater than 100, then you can say system dot out dot println. You can say invalid marks. You can say invalid marks. You can say. All have understood this, right? See there. Now, if I run it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. If I take 0, 5 here, name Raj here. Now CSC. If I entered 190, invalid marks coming. 567, invalid marks. 234, invalid marks. Minus 12, invalid marks. 90 correct, 90 correct. So total marks 1159 out of 600 and percentage is 193. Sir, if it is invalid marks, message correct only, then why you are adding that marks? Don't add it. That's the logic you are going to write it. You must not add it now. If I add it crossing 1000 or not now. So, sir, you must not add it, sir. Invalid marks message coming now, sir. When the invalid marks message coming, you must not add it. Skip that adding. Whenever I want to skip the adding in our language, I am introducing continue. I am using one statement known as what now? Continue. Continue means skip the below lines from the iteration. Skip the below lines from the iteration. 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 Below lines from the iteration. It's called continue. Break means stopping. Continue means skipping. So below lines from iteration means what now? Whenever you entered invalid marks, now whatever the lines available after this continue, these two lines are available now, is skipped. Total marks adding skipped. I plus plus also skipped. Means what? I am expecting the result like this. If I write I is equal to 1 now, 1 less than or equal to 6 true, enter the subject marks 1. I is equal to 1, no? Right. Subject marks I entered 190. 190 less than 0, false. 190 greater than 100, true. False or true, it is true. Invalid marks, continue. Continue means what? Don't add it. Don't increment. If you don't increment, I will be 1 only, no. It repeats now, while loop. Enter the subject marks 1 again, because it is not incremented. Let us see whether it is working or not. So enter the roll number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is 05. Name is Raj. Here CSC. Here subject marks 190. Observe carefully the output. Sir, invalid marks. Enter the subject 1 once again. All of you observe this now. See, all of you understood continue. So continue statement will skip the lines from the iteration. Skip the lines from the iteration. Like this. Minus 12. Enter again. I entered 90, 90, 67, 59, 55, and so on. 60, 56. Answer is coming or not now, right? So if I entered wrongly, it skips. And again, it is asking to read the marks. All of you understood continue, right? One more condition available to you. The condition is nothing but if a subject marks entered in between 0 to 100, sorry, 0 to 34, it is fail. Already that condition you know already. Here I written or not now? P is equal to true. But on that day, I checked with one lengthy condition or not now. When the while loop comes, what happened now? This kind of lengthy conditions will not come. This kind of readings will not come. The size of code and complexity decreased or not now when the while loop comes. Now see there, here. I am putting one condition here. The condition is, I will take one variable as Boolean. You know this logic already. I am taking P is equal to false. I am taking P is equal to false. So above this total marks here, I am writing one condition. What is the condition now? Sir, if the subject marks greater than or equal to 0 and the subject marks less than or equal to 34, this is one fail condition. That is one fail condition. Whenever it is a fail condition, now here I'll take P is equal to true, I will take it. The P value modified as true whenever you entered subject marks between 0 to 34. All of it clear? Right. Now see there. That P value, I must pass parameter to result. So result class already there now with us. So result class already there. Student result, we had generate here method anyway. So student result. So right click on P1, new class, student result. We had it. Whatever the logic available there, I'll copy here. Here public. Public. So this is student result. The method is public. I'll come here. Here I will take student result SR is equal to new student result. Now using this, result is coming now. Now string result is equal to SR dot generate the result based on percentage and P. I am passing percentage as parameter, P as parameter. Based on that, result will come now. Here system dot out dot println. Here result is equal to result. Now run it completely. You can run it. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Here 0, 5. Name is Raj. CSE 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. All I enter 90. In flow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0, 5. Raj. CSE 9. I will take it. Remaining all 90. See there? Fail coming up? No. Only difference is I brought one while loop. I brought one continue. Got it right? I brought some validation. I brought some equals method. Like this, I brought one substring method. Like this, I combined all together into the known program. From day one, you are writing one program, no? That program. So everybody should take one printout of this program. Actually, that is called first, means stage 1. You have to take one printout. Stage 1, you have to take printout. Stage 2, reading multiple student details. And that you have to take one more printout. Stage 2. Stage 3, exception handle. Try, catch, finally, throws will come. So stage 3. Like this, 3 times the program will be updated. That 3 levels should be under your control. So here lengthy came anyway. So the technique of understanding this program is, it takes, I don't know how many pages will come, 3-4 pages will come, I think, right? Or 2-3 pages. But you have to take one printout and write it as stage 1 development. You can write it a point. All of you understood this? Right. Here I brought one continue. Here continue. I written a definition here only. Continue. Skip the below lines from the iteration. Right. Again, separate notes will be made. You have to wait it. All of you understood the modification? Say yes or no to me. Right. So that continuation, I will add it. This continuation, I'll add it. So this program, continuation. Today I added what now? Percentage student result. Total 4 classes and so this is the final code you had it. All of it clear? Right. Okay. Now see there. This is very easy, no? Can I write a solutions? Right. Fastly. Okay, right. Here, solution is not important. How I am writing the program. That's important. Okay, right. So one question will be there. From that question, how we are writing. Okay, right. Suppose if you take this question, the question will be given like this only. One explanation will be given for you. One explanation will be given. Now, define a method. Right. Define a method which return the one with the given number is even. In other case, returns 0. Returns 0. Name of the method is your explanation also there. Name of the method is even and which accepts the integer value as argument, returns 1 if the given number is even, else return 0. Argument is int, return type also integer values. This much of clearly question is explained because first program no more explanation is available. Okay, right. Suppose if you take this program, I'll take it as here. I'll take assignment solution. Here, I'll take one package. I'll take both in a same package. I will take. Where I am taking this? Right. It is asking me to take one method is even. Okay, right. For this, I'll take one program test. I will take it. One class, I must take it. One class, I must take it. It is asking me to take a method. Take a method means I cannot take a method without class. No. So definitely class is needed. Inside the class only method will be taken. So whenever you want to take a method, argument is int, return type is also int. Means what? The method name also they only given. Is even is a method. So method name is given here. Is even is a method. Return type is int. Argument also what now? Int some x. Right. Here automatically public. Okay, right. Now, next, what is the condition now? It will take one value. It has to cross check whether it is even or not. Even means what now? Reminder 0 or not now, right? Okay. Here, if x modulo divided by 2 equal to 0, return 1. Else, RETURN, return 0. Return 1 if it is even, else 0 or not now. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Right. Now just go to the main class, small program only anyway. So this already everybody done, right? Program 1. Scanner ES is equal to new scanner of system dot in s dot close. Now system dot out dot println, enter int value, int x is equal to s dot next int create object for test ob is equal to new test. Here return type is 0 and 1. No, int sum k is equal to, if not p is equal to ob dot is even of ob. I must pass x, no? All of you understood this? Right. Okay. Now P will get system dot out dot println result is P. Now see the program. I entered 12. 12 even or odd? So result is 1. If I say 13 even or odd? That only answer. Actually program easy only. If you write it in the main method, the answer will come. But why we give this format means whether student can take one subclass. Student can take one small method. Student can take one parameter. Student will as understand one return type. To call that method, whether you can create object or not, you are calling that method by using that is called practice. All of understood? So here subclass based working, because we took a small program, that is even or odd. Very easy or not now? Yes or no? Na? Right. Go for second one anyway. Here I took two classes. Test.java, program 1.java. This is one main class I had it. So program number 2. What is program number 2 here? Sir, bit lengthy is there, sir, here. Define a method which returns greater number among two numbers. Write the method with the following specifications. Name of the method is getGreatest, which accepts two integer values as arguments and returns the greatest value. Two arguments of type integer. So this also not needed, I think. Yes or no? Na? The value returned by the method getGreatest is returned by the following. If any of the given numbers are negative, return -1. If any of the given numbers are 0, return -2. If the given numbers are positive, return the greatest. Can I write this? Right. Okay. Now look here. Here conditions are there. Some conditions. Second program concentrating on some conditions. Solution. Right. Look here. Assignment 2. Solution. Right. Take test class only here. Text class. Here method name. So name of the method is what now? GetGreatest. Sir, name of the method is getGreatest. Now two integer values as argument and returns greatest value. Two integer values, int x and int y. Okay. Take one method getGreatest with two arguments. Greatest with two integer arguments. Two arguments of type int, return type also int value only int. Now the condition here. If any of the given numbers are negative, if any of the given numbers are negative, means what? If x value less than 0, negative means less than 0 only, no? Yes or no? Na? Less than 0 or y value is less than 0. Any one condition is true. Any one condition will be true or not now? Whether x less than 0 or y less than 0. If any one is true, it becomes true. Then you must say RETURN. RETURN. Return -1. That only. If any of the given numbers are negative, return -1. If any of the given numbers are 0, if any of the given numbers are 0 here, if where is this? If any of the given numbers are 0, else if x equal to 0 or y equal to 0, you must write what now? Return -2. Yes or no? Now, right. Else, definitely they will be positive. If beyond, if these two conditions are failed, it will be positive only, no? It is not 0, it is not negative. So then you can write your condition here. That here condition. What is the condition now? Which one is greater? Return the greatest. So if these conditions are failed, then you can say if x value greater than y, then you must write what now? Return x. RETURN. Else RETURN. Return y. All have understood this? Right. So I am writing if means nested if this is. Nested if. If inside, no, sorry, not nested if. Nested if means if inside the if actually. All have understood the logic, everyone? Right. Okay. Now I am passing x and y. Actually, program looks very simple, but reading and constructing is very, that only practice. Okay, right. Now go for main class. Here. Program. Here. Enter the value, enter the int value of x. Enter the int value of y. Y. Here ob dot get greatest. Ob dot get greatest x comma y. The result will come there or not now? See there. Reading x and y, creating object for test, get greatest. If anyone is 0, here what will come now? -2. If anyone is negative, -1 and so on. Sir, I entered -1 and 12. -1 is coming or not? Means negative value. Suppose I entered 12 and 13. If anyone is 0 now, that only condition, no? If anyone is 0. Now 12 and 0 -2. It's working, no? Right. Just the document, that's program constructing, that question converting into one small code form. Anyway, so logic you understood while I'm typing only. Yes or no now? Right. Right. This one small solution here. Same program I took it. Test.java. Here I took program 2.java. This is one solution. Let us see. Question only bigger than the answer, right? No. Third one. Maybe it is a least number, I think. Right. Define a method which returns the least among two. That one, you know, get least number. Same, no? Right. Can I change it? That. Just less than symbol, I'll make it. I'll get a least number. Where I'm typing. Assignment 3. Solution. Same program. Only difference is in the test, I'll write what now? This is less than. Answer will come or not now? Just less than number will come out. If I entered 12 and 13, 12 is coming or not now? Remaining all same, no? Right. Okay. Just I'm presenting one solution. That's all. Nothing is there. Just will copy the notes and come. Fourth program. What is fourth program? Question only bigger than that. Right time method which returns the number if it is even number. If the number is odd, then it returns next multiples of 10. Odd rounder. How many have done this? Very good. Who done it? One argument of type int, integer. If x is equal to 24, then return 24. If x is equal to 25, then return what now? 30. Right. So see there. I am writing the program. Assignment 4. Where I am typing. Monday onwards, I am free by 7:30 onwards. Monday onwards, I'll increase 10-15 minutes extra time. Daily I'm closing 7:20, 7:25. No, right. I'll use the time up to 7:40, 7:45. I'll use the time, class time. Based on the interest, I'll go. Right. If the topic is interested, I'll go to 7:45, 7:50. I'll go. No problem. Right. Actual time, that only our time. Because of this schedule, right? Monday onwards, I'm free. Any doubts, you can carry your laptop and come. Okay, right? Because I'll be sitting here up to 8:15, 8:20. I'll be 20-25 minutes. I'll sit here. By 8:20, I'll go. Got it, right? So 7:45 class ends, almost half an hour to 35 minutes. I'll sit here. So any doubts, clearly you can ask and go. Doubt not there. Up to this 15 days, I'm busy with that batch. Today is the last time running project for them. Mini project from your core Java will be ended. The batch. Okay, right. 4. Solution. Right. See there? Very easy. Nothing is there. I'll copy this. Paste it. Refactor. I am reading only one value here. Yes or no? Only one value. Int x enough. Here, reading one value only according to the question. So, returns the number if the even or not. Odd rounder. It is a method. Actually, who prepared means for me that much of time will not be there. For us, background code writers will be there for us. We'll make them to prepare all the questions and given, we cross check and keep it. Understood now that in this busy schedule, we cannot write it. Then we keep the documents ready. That's the point. So we'll give the live solutions. Only questions they'll prepare it. So we'll give the live solutions. Whatever the question you bring, also I'll write it. Sir, yesterday I attended interview, sir. Sir, please give solutions. I'll write the live code. Any question you can bring it, I'll type it. No problem. But based on the time, Saturday, we can give some more time. Extra time, we can give it. Right. Reading one number, odd rounder. So there, the question is here, odd rounder. ODD ROUNDR, odd rounder. Only X value here. Only X. Here, odd rounder, which accept integer value as written same. Right. Argument, one argument, return type is int. Anyway. So X not need, only X, Y not needed. Yes or no? Na? Here Y not needed, only X. Here else, it is not meeting the condition. Okay, right. It is not meeting the condition. Suppose it is not less than 0, it is not equal to 0. Then you have to cross check what now, sir? If X modulo divided by 2 equal to 0, return X. Same value must return it, no? Else, yeah, you must go with round off. Yes or no? Na? You must go with round off. Whenever you want to go with round off now, you take one int k is equal to X divided by 10, I will take it. Suppose X divided by 10, I will take it normally. Now, what is the X value will come now? Suppose X means which one will come? Quotient will come, no? Yes or no? Na? One minute. RETURN. Suppose I took 23. X divided by 10, what will come and X modulo divided by, no? Yes, right. If it is X modulo, what will come now? Divided by 10, 10 to 23. Quotient will come now. 2 will come or not now. So return, right? Round off, no? Round off means what now? Sir, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 into 10. Okay, right. Let me cross check. Now, odd rounder. OB dot odd rounder X. Suppose I given 24, whatever is there given, 24 will come. 23 will come. 40 came. 2 means what now? It has to take 3. Modulo divided by will take quotient or remainder. Okay. I don't want remainder, no. I want quotient. If it is 23, 30 will be taken. Okay, right. Whether it works for single digit or not, you have to cross check. So 3, what is the next round of now? 10 is coming or not now? If we take 13, coming, no? Right. So next round off is coming. Here, this kind of questions will try to confuse you, means something is available there. They'll move your mind state to something is available there. They'll move your mindset. Once you move your mind state to that location, it will not come back. So see there, all of you. One X value is given. If it is odd number, odd. Okay, right. Suppose 23 is odd number, no? Right. 23 divided by 10. What happened now? Quotient will come. 2 will come or not now? 2 plus 1, what will come now? 3. 3 into 10, 30. That only you are expecting. Understood this point? That only you are expecting. Understood everyone? Right. Suppose I given 3 now. 3 divided by 10. Quotient will be 0 actually. Now 0 plus 1, what? 1. 1 into 10 is 10 will come. Understood this point now? So whenever this kind of questions are coming, here one output will be there, no? Right. You have to spend more time by seeing this output. So 25 should return 30. 25 should return 30. 25 should return 30. You must think more time. When you more time, if you think it, 25 must be added with 5. If you think like this, you cannot manage the logic, because every time 25 will not be there. No, it may be 21, it may be 23, it may be 27. So what will be common here now? Sir, 2 is becoming 3 now. 2 is becoming 3 now. So I must take 2 outside. Whenever I want to take 2 outside, 25 divided by 10, 2.5. Actually, 2 will come. That's it. Like this also you can remember. If you don't want to do model way, 25 divided by 10, what now? 2.5, no? 2 will come. 1 divided by 10, 0.1, 0 will come. 43, 4.3, 4 will come. That 4 came out now. 4 plus 1, 5. Our target 5 came or not now? 5 into 10. That's the logic. All have understood this? Right, okay. Now, same names, I took it. Last question. What is the last question you had? This also same only, no? Same means define a method to return 1. Positive. Returns 1 if the given number is positive. Negative. 0. Find sign. 1 argument of type. This is okay, no? Easy only, no? Yes or no? No? Right. For this solution not needed, no? Yes or no? No? That only no, sir. Write it means I'll write it. All of you got it? Right. Anyway, easy programs on the day you are children, I given it. Today, you completed constructors, methods, packages, strings. Yes or no? No? So next questions, please give hard questions, sir. Anybody is waiting now? Right. I'll dump 10 questions to you. How many questions? 10 questions. One day I'll write the solution. Meanwhile, you work it. Whatever it may be, you try it once. If you're not understanding, see that question more than once. So I had a 10 to 15 questions available with me. So I'll dump 10 questions to you. Keep your time there spending, right? Can we take a break for today? Right. So close the books for 5 minutes. I'll repeat. 5 minutes. Because next week I'll never find time again, because string conclusion, wrapper class, array is coming. So level of coding will be increased. Right. Look here. Our syllabus starts with data types. Whenever the language you want to start it, we start with the data types. For you also data types chapter is there. Whenever you find time, you must read the notes from data types. Before data types, fundamental means what? Program definition, program stages, that is fundamental. That no need to read daily. Any interview is there, you read that fundamental, remaining all not needed. Data types in Java, two types. They're only started. After understanding the two types of data types, under that primitive, non-primitive, among that four types, here four types. Among non-primitive, class work is going on, still interface not entered. That's the information. From the primitive data types also, some nodes is available, char 2 bytes, y, and float assigned with f in the RHS. That nodes I must record it. Byte and start still not entered. Like this, 3 or 4 questions are pending from the data type. We are going to conclude it on Monday, Tuesday. We are doing that work. So like this, any pending part is there from data type, we'll conclude it. After data types, we gone for variables. Variables, two types only. Primitive data type variable, non-primitive data type variable. That variables can be three types. Basically, two types based on static keyword. Maybe static variable, non-static variable. Static variable always outside the method. You cannot write inside the method. Non-static variable, two types, outside the methods, inside the methods. Outside the methods, we call it as instance variable. Inside the method, we call it as a local variable. Static variable will get the memory within the class. Instance variable in the object. Local variable in the method. Like this. On the day one, you concentrated much. Today, you are not concentrating. Observed? Because you understood that. That is a day by day improvement. Starting complexity will be there. Any language that only. Even if any new thing in starting 15 days, complexity only will be there. Once you started reading it, once you started attending it, slowly will understand. Suddenly not possible. Nothing you can take in a single day. Not possible. It takes time. On that it is a new thing. Today you are able to say that. Sir, if static keyword not there, it is in the object. I'll create object, I'll access with object name. On the day one when I'm speaking, student felt more complex because that kind of nature not available in other language. We have it. So definitely complexity will be there. First 15 days, complexity will be there. Hope today you are in position to identify the variable. Frankly speaking, we never use static. All non-statics only we use because we are class-oriented programs, object-oriented programmer. Object. So everything must be in the form of objects. Reason also available, you will find it, you have to wait it. Assignments also, no static is available. All maximum 90% work we do with objects. Anyway, you had a clarity about variable. Methods, two types, static, non-static. Static method in the class, non-static method or instance method in the object. Only two methods. Some methods are from library, some we have to write it. That may be static or that may be non-static. You are in position today to identify method with a static keyword. You can call with class name. If it is a static keyword not there, you can create object and call with object name. The method can be with parameter, without parameter, that assignment that only. All that 5 questions on the day to make you to practice one method taking in the subclass, taking one parameter returning. Because we give an explanation. Because students will be new, no? That assignment given almost 10-15 days back I given. So on that day for you, packages not there, blocks not there, constructors not there. That assignment is very plain assignment actually. Because explanation is very high. At least student will read that notes as. So there the concentration is method with parameter, method return type. Hope you are in position to identify them. Yes or no now? Method can be passed with primitive data types as parameter. Method can return primitive data types as parameter. Today, all methods are int parameter, int return type. In the coming assignment, I am going to give a string return type, care written type, I framed 1 or 2 questions to make you to understand. Again, one day you write it. Whenever you find, write it. If friends are there, discuss it. At last, you have to learn it. My intention. One day I will write it. Of course, when I'm writing, also you are understanding very easily. Update or not now, sir? What you are writing, 80% I'm understanding, sir. 1 or 2% that rounding off maybe some things. Immediately that will not come because your experience is maybe 32 programs experience. It has to cross 100, no? When it cross 100, automatically logic grip will come. Still, we not yet crossed 50 programs also. Nothing wrong, idea not coming. Sir, idea not coming, don't worry, because your experience is 20 to 25 programs experience only. Still, many topics are available. It takes time. So, who has been felt yourself? I not yet written 5 programs also, if you felt it. Now you put your potential for the next assignment. 10 programs I'm giving. Among the 10, no need write 100 out of 100. Distinction also 70% only. So maintain yourself writing 5 to 6 programs by your own. Remaining, I'll support it. Third assignment will come on the day, you must write 100 out of 100. Right? One day, third assignment will come with high level. On the day, you must write your 10 questions up to 10 questions. Today, you not written that question also, no problem. Next assignment, I'm expecting by your own, nobody will assess you. Nobody will call you. I asked you to upload your assignments. The reason, I'll check the frequency of a student of my batch. They're attempting or not. What kind of psychology they had. Because you are following my mindset, no? There. So, what kind of things you are taking, I observed it. Because I asked you to upload. But even then, the best program mail ID, we record it and keep it. That also assessment done by our team. Technical team is there. We do the assessment and keep it. So at last, I'll give the review for them, right? That work we do anyway. For that one process is there, I'll reveal it. At last, you are in position to take one method with parameter return type. Now, method can take non-primitive data type as parameter. Yes or no? Non-primitive data type means class object as parameter. One program, 2 programs are there. Class object as parameter, return typing a class. So on that assignment, not there up to now. Somewhere that assignment will come. So a method can take class object as parameter. That 2 programs are available in your book. You have to cross check it. After that, constructors, blocks, packages, strings, 2-3 programs we written. Still level not increased. I stopped one title. From here, some level we increase. Right? Then by Monday, Tuesday, some more programs will be dumped in the classroom. That assignment separate. 10 programs assignment are again with methods, return types, constructors, classes, subclasses, some calculations like this. We do it. After that, some string programs available. 22 programs and strings is there separate. There is one separate list available on 22 programs. One list is there to you. So in the 22 programs, I'm bringing 1 or 2 programs out. I'm bringing to you. Pending programs, I'll dump it. Like this, we play one technique to you. Got it right? String still some assignment is pending. Means some work pending. 2 days work is there on string still. We are going to do it. Finally, you know constructor, you know block, you know package, and you know strings, introduction, you know buffer not enter, builder not entered. Understood now? This is your status. Clear everyone? Right. What is the next week program is Monday, we are going with strings conclusion. Means maximum work we are going to do with strings. Tuesday, we conclude strings, go for wrapper classes. Tuesday, Wednesday, wrapper class will be ended. Wednesday, we start array introduction. And because time is increasing, no, 1 hour 40 minutes time is increasing. It's a more time for us. So my target is by Friday, array should be completed. Understood now? Before that, you work these programs what are pending. Some more class programs will come on Monday, Tuesday on strings. With that 10 programs list is coming. 10 plus 3 for almost 14 programs will be in your hand by Wednesday. And by Friday, array programs will be added. Almost 22 to 25 programs I planned by the next weekend. That's the plan because level should be increased. No? Why means inheritance is coming. On 24th, 26th, inheritance is coming. So next week program up to 24th program. After 24th onwards, inheritance will come. When the inheritance comes, references, interfaces, inner classes, high level components will join it. Before that, I planned 20 to 22 programs by next week. All of it clear? This is a schedule. Read the notes and come. Can we take a break for today? Right. Okay. Thank you very much for today.